Hey guys, today we're going to be creating a reflection. It'll end up looking a little bit like this. So let's get started. Right, first thing we're going to do is open a new document. We want the width to be 1000 and the height to be 500. Now you can do any size you want, but I prefer this size. Now when we go in, we need to make a new layer and head over to the gradient tool, which might be hiding underneath the paintbrush. Click on the presets, and we need it to go from black to a dark grey colour. Click OK, and then click at the bottom, hold shift and drag up. That'll give us a nice effect from dark to light. Make a new layer and go to the text tool. Click anywhere on the screen and just type your text. I just wrote YouTube with a random font I found. Now be careful, sometimes when you're doing Y's, if it's not a capital letter, the reflection won't work. Press the tick and make the text how big you want it. Okay. We want to copy this layer, so press Ctrl J and then Ctrl T, right click, flip vertically. Now we want to just move it down until the letters just touch. Use the arrow keys to get it more accurate. There we go. Click OK and move the bottom layer, or the reflecting layer, down to the bottom, and just turn down the opacity. Click on the mask tool, which is this one that looks like just a square with a circle in the middle, and go back to the gradient tool. We want to change the gradient from black to white. Again, hold shift and drag up. You can keep trying to do this and you'll just get a nice effect. Try to get it so the top of you can't see the top of the letters on the bottom bit. There we go, that looks pretty good. Now go on to YouTube and click FX. We want a gradient overlay. You can choose whatever colours you want, but for this one I'm going to choose a light blue and a dark blue. Now obviously these are the wrong way around, we want dark at the bottom and light at the top. So to do this we can just change this angle to 180 degrees, oops, 300 or minus 90 degrees instead of 90 degrees. So we've got this, press OK, hold Alt and click on the FX symbol next to the layer. Just drag that down onto the bottom layer and you repeat the process underneath. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Now we want to open a new layer, or a new document, with the sizes 4 by 4. Click OK and zoom right in as far as you can go. Now with the pen tool, or the pencil tool, we want to block in the bottom half of that. Click Edit, define pattern and name it something appropriate. Click OK and head back into your design. And then if we then click on the paint bucket tool, go up to the top where it says foreground, click pattern, you'll notice that our design is here. If it hasn't worked and you can't see this transparent bit here, you need to go back and make sure that you made it on a transparent document, otherwise that won't work. Make a new layer, click, and you'll get this nice effect. Decrease the opacity of it to around 75 or 65%, whatever you feel is best. And there you go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. I just need ideas on what I can do next. If you want any tutorials doing, then feel free to ask. So see you next time.